looks like a premium product film, but it wasn't shot in a studio. It was created inside Higgsfield using Nano Banana Pro for high fidelity product imagery and Kling 2.6 to bring those visuals into motion. In this video, I will show you how Higgsfield can be used to build a complete agency grade product ad from still to cinematic motion. Okay guys, so let's break it down. How did I do that ad? So first we need to go to Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield every week or every month they update a new feature every time, which is fantastic to check it out. Like we'll be looking on these tools on my next video. So you can see their popular projects and on what people have done. It's like a fantastic thing. So right now let's focus on the ad thing. So to create an image, so first we need to do is create an image for our product. So we click on create image. So if you have an existing product or anything of yours, you can use that, but right now I don't want to get into a product which is already there in the market. So I just created a watch for myself, like which is somewhere similar to the Apple product and all. So I generated this image. So the prompt is over here. This is how I generated the image. So this is my prompt and this is how I got the image. So this is a fictional product and there is no such product as such. So I use this for an example for making this tutorial. So how my process is like to create an ad like that. So what we can do is we just need to drag and drop it over here. Like it's already here. Okay, I'm deleting this. So what I do is like I just create and paste it over here. Then here we can explain like a 9 frame shot how we can. So what we do is like, so I had created this prompt over here. So for the prompt I use ChatGPT to get a perfect prompt for me. So what I do is like I just paste it away. So here if you read it, create a 9-shot storyboard, a fictional premium technology product commercial inspired by minimalist Apple style advertising. So Apple was a top-notch brand, like they do such a great fantastic ad, so I want to do something in a similar space. So but instead of, so here the main thing is like you don't need to be so much creative to get the angle or input or anything, because in one storyboard, that's the challenge. What I'm trying to do is like in one image I'm getting 9 different storyboard shots. So for that you need to select Google Nano Banana Pro. So you have to select this, and here there is, you have to select 16:9 because our video is 16:9, or if your video is 1:1 or 9:16 or any format you can select, but I would always prefer 16:9 because that's the landscape mode which we always use. And then here you can select 1K, 2K or 4K also for the detailing, and the detailing is really too good. So here batch size, you can create 1, 2, 3, 4, how many ever batch of images you want to be creating, which is like options, like it will create 4 different options. But I think so their quality is so good, you just need to have a one option only selected, but it depends on you. If you want to see few more different variation, 4 is still fine. And yeah, that's it. And if I click generate, so once I click generate, it generated me this one. So if you see, there's a 9 grid it has followed, like I create a 9-shot storyboard. So this is the 9-shot storyboard for this spec ad. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this created a 9 grid storyboard for the video. So now the challenge is like this has come out as a one single image. So what you need to do is you need to break it as a each single image for your making your video. So for that they have done a very good tool called Draw. Click upload media, which is of this 9 grid. So here now the challenge is we need each image as a single 16:9 format to make our AI film, correct? So for that we can select this square tool, and you just need to drag it like this, and then you just need to mention that, you just need to mention like this. Uh, you can type anything. So what I would mention is enlarge this image. You can make it 16:9 ratio and have good quality on it, the on the image. It's So this is our prompt over there. What we have to do. So now we just click generate image. So what happened? So now I click generate image. So what happened is like it created a higher resolution of that image. If you see the detailing over here, like I'm really amazed. See the texture quality. See the each pixels are speaking. This was generated with a multiple shots kept together, and it I just cropped it and I told him to make it so crisper and cleaner. It created this. So the same thing we keep doing for each of the frames. Like I keep drawing in over here, drawing it over here, drawing it over here, drawing it over here, drawing it over here, and you get all these images single and separate. So we got the whole storyboards frame all separately. Now the thing is what we need to do is now we need to make it as a video. So for that we go to video or video tool over here, then go to create video. So here I had already created all this thing. So here the challenge, here the thing is like, so video again we have to do the same prompting. What you need to do is you can upload these images into ChatGPT and you can ask them to, if you have something in your mind like I want this to be done like this to, so you just need to explain them. ChatGPT will give you the video prompt, and Kling 2.6 give you so much higher detail quality in the video. If you see this, like it has come out very well, like the crispness, the detailing, it's just fantastically done. It's a great job done. Like it gives, see the animation what it has been done. And if you select Kling to you, so here the model is Kling, you have to select Kling and you have to select Kling 2.6. And if you select this with the audio, it would create a fantastic music and fantastic video on this video. For example, if you want something to be said like this watch has some this kind of quality, you just need to, it's the same VO3 type of a killer where you just need to mention that I want the VO to be set like this. It will generate a very good vocal over here. So and in these kind of product cases, we actually don't need VO to be there.
Smartwatch glass.
See, this was an example what I want to show you.
Smartwatch glass.
So it created automatically, it created a music BGM to it, and it created a audio voiceover over here. In my, because in my prompt it was written what I wanted to say. So that was an example for you to see. So but mostly these kind of product videos we don't need actually an audio over here. So I always prefer to turn it off, and it has that generative credits difference also, like because here it's more of a BGM kind of a product ad. We are not talking about anything, so I would always prefer don't turn on the audio over here and see the video quality, the way the quality, the edits are very nice. See, this is fantastic job. That's what I believe. It's done very neatly. Like you are because the prompt is a big factor over here, but the way Kling handles it, the way Kling understands it, that's a very cool AI tool, I would believe. And Kling 2.6 is going to be the game changer. I know that Van 2.5 is also in the similar space, but I always prefer Kling 2.6 because I believe they have a very good quality in video making. If you see this, the quality is superb, the texture is superb, like I just loved it. So after doing all this, you what I do is I just combine everything in any video editing platform. Let it be After Effects, let it be Premiere Pro, let it be whichever tool you guys are comfortable with, you can edit it and do it. Because usually these kind of CGI video cost a lot, and now you can do with a $20 to $30 subscription in Higgsfield, and you can create such a wonderful ads with your own product. So that's it. That's the video I would really love to show you. And thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing for more content. I will be posting more AI videos.